Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel, my little segment whereby I update my process in the foreign exchange market. And if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and toggle notification for more educational content like this. And for those of you that have been here before, I truly appreciate all your effort in helping me to track my journey in the foreign exchange market and being there and keep on watching my videos. So this week we'll be looking at GBPUSD. We have two pairs on our watch list that we analyzed last week, and we have been waiting for them to present the opportunities whereby we'll hop into the streets. This is GBPUSD. We had an analysis last. If you didn't watch our previous video, you can go back and watch our previous video so that you can follow us along. We had this analysis whereby price was around this zone, and since this is an uptrend, price is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. This is a higher high, and you are expecting price to come back here and put in what, a higher low before an impulse leg to the upside. That's what you are expecting price to do. And we had an analysis last week whereby we're waiting for price to pull back into this yellow bar around here, like so. Price to pull back into this yellow bar. This will be our this was our point of interest. Price to pull back into this yellow bar because price broke above a minor level which price we tested in the past. It was a very significant minor level in the past which price respected a lot, and once price broke above that zone, what we're expecting is price to do what, pull back into that region for a break and retest. And price has successfully done that. And if you take a good look at the last candle that was formed here, it's an indecision candle around this zone like this. The last candle that was formed here was an indecision candle. We are on a daily time frame, so if we have 5 days in the week, so the last candle that was formed the previous week before this week was this last candle, this bearish candle. Yes, if you see, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Friday we had an indecision candle that tapped into our area of interest, which price tapped into our area of interest like this. And for us to consider this zone our area of interest, we had our yellow bar here. That's our supply and demand zones, which price broke above and came back to retest it, and also had our Fibonacci drawn from swing low to swing high. If you can see, this is exactly at the Fibonacci region 0.05 and 0.06, price tapping into that region. And on the daily time frame like this, price hasn't presented an opportunity for us to begin to create an opportunity for our engagement rules, and if they are being met, we'll go long on this market to the upside. So we'll have to go down to a lower time frame. When I say lower time frame, I mean the 4-hour time frame. That's the least time frame I go to, the 4-hour time frame like this. And it's still noisy down here, the 4-hour time frame. It's the 4-hour time frame. See, if you come down to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see that price created a high here, created a lower high here, but failed to create a higher high, but instead created what? Created a higher high, created a higher low, failed to create a higher high, then created what? A lower high. And this was why this had this pullback around here. According to the rules of price action, if in an uptrend price fails to create a higher high and it creates a lower high, that signifies that there's a change of trend about to take place, and we had this pullback down into this region. What we'll be doing is this: we'll pull out we'll draw our trend line like so. This will be our trend line. We'll draw a counter trend line like this. This is how we'll do it. draw a counter trend line like this. And since price tapped into this region, we're not interested in taking this trade around here, because price can come around here, come to this trend line here, this counter trend line, and bounce off that region, So all we're interested in, if indeed GBPUSD wants to go higher, then it should come here, break above this counter trend line. It's a bullish engulfing candle, breaking structure. That's when I'll be interested in what going long on this pair, bringing my percentage of my account out to risk on this trade. But if that doesn't work, then I won't be interested in this trade until it signifies to me that yes, indeed it wants to go down, the trend wants to change. Then I'll be interested in coming out to risk my capital on this trade, because I'm only interested in risking only a few percentage of my capital on this trade. And I consider myself a businessman, just like I said in my previous videos too. I only like to take trades that have the higher probability stacked on my side on bringing me returns. If that happens, if my system presents an opportunity to me to take a trade that will give me higher returns, then yes, I'm interested. I will hop into that trade, risk everything, and watch the price does what it wants to do. Yes. And this week, this is what we'll be doing. We will have to sit on our hands and wait for price to fulfill our engagement rules. And if that is done, then we'll hop in on this trade. But if it doesn't, then we'll have to sit on our hands, because throughout last week we sat on our hands and watch price pull back into our point of interest. This game is a game of patience. If you are patient, then definitely you will make money from the market. If you are not, you won't make money from the market. Discipline and patience to stick to your rules. These are my rules. I will stick to them. These are my rules. I will definitely stick to them. Just find a system and you stick to. No system is perfect, but the ability to lose less and win more will keep you profitable in the market. So this is all we're doing for this week. If you find this video so confusing, you can check our previous video, which price was yet to pull back into this region. It was around here like this. If you go to daily time frame, price was around this region here, this bearish candle here, around here. That was where price was. I strongly feel price will pull back a little bit to create a lower high, then dash into this zone before it breaks above here, because these are the laws of price action. Before price turns around, before it reverses, it will have to come and create what, a double top around here. And if it fails to create a new high, then we should consider this trend done, because overall we are bearish, but temporarily we are what, bullish. So this is what we'll be looking out for this week. A break above this counter trend line, then we'll hop on the trade. And if that happens, I will still drop a video. Just keep your eyes on the channel. I'll still drop a video about that immediately when that happens, so to enable all of us hop on this trade and ride it to the upside. And just like I always say, if this happens, then my first profit target will be here with a 100% retracement. At least I'll take like over 50% of my trade around here. I'll take partial profit. I'll back 50% of my trade around here. That's if I have 2 lots open, I'll close 1 lot around here. And if I have 0.20 lot side open, I'll close 0.10 around here. And if I have about 0.02 lot size open, I'll close 0.02 around here. Now hold that to myself. Whatever the market gives me, I take it and hold it to myself. I take it and hold it, because I'm here to make money in this market. I'm not here to gamble. So this is what we'll be looking out for. A break above this counter trend line, and we'll engage the market. And if that doesn't happen, then we are not interested in the market. Please, if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and toggle the notification, so that whenever I upload a video, you first be the one to get notified. And Peace.